In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the key differences between two leading online accounting platforms, QuickBooks Online and Xero. As a small to medium-sized business owner, selecting the right financial management tool can significantly enhance your business operations and provide you with the insights necessary for strategic decision-making. Both QuickBooks Online and Xero are equipped to handle essential accounting tasks, yet they cater to slightly different business needs and priorities. Let's start with QuickBooks Online. This platform is highly regarded for its robust, all-in-one approach to accounting. It's particularly beneficial for small to medium-sized businesses due to its comprehensive suite of tools that seamlessly cover invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting. You'll find the user interface quite intuitive, with easy navigation that makes it straightforward to manage your financial tasks. One standout feature of QuickBooks Online is its integration with payroll and tax functions. This is a huge advantage for US-based businesses that need to stay compliant with ever-changing tax laws. Additionally, you'll benefit from its capability to connect with a multitude of third-party apps. This connectivity can streamline your workflows and help you manage all your business processes from a single platform, saving time and reducing errors. QuickBooks Online's reporting features are particularly noteworthy. They offer depth and detail, which is essential for accurate tax filing, audits, and conducting thorough business analysis. These features ensure that you, as a business owner, can make informed financial decisions based on real-time data and insights. On the flip side, we have Xero. Known for its clean, modern design, Xero excels in providing a collaborative environment that is perfect for teams and accountants to work together seamlessly in real time. One of its major selling points is that it allows unlimited users on all its plans, offering unmatched flexibility for growing teams. Xero offers core functionalities such as invoicing, expense management, and bank reconciliation. A significant advantage for international businesses is its strong multi-currency support. If your business operates on a global scale, this feature will allow you to manage transactions in multiple currencies without a hitch. Moreover, Xero integrates smoothly with popular platforms like PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify, providing you with a comprehensive view of your financial health through its real-time dashboards. Though some advanced features might require additional add-ons, Xero's overall simplicity, accessibility, and adaptability make it an attractive option for businesses prioritizing collaboration and contemporary features. In summary, when choosing between QuickBooks Online and Xero, consider your business's primary needs. QuickBooks Online is particularly well-suited for small businesses that emphasize payroll integration, tax compliance, and detailed financial reporting. In contrast, Xero is ideal for those expanding internationally or teams that value user collaboration and intuitive real-time insights. By understanding the unique features of each platform, you can make an informed choice that best aligns with your business strategy.